Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today, let's see Maharashtra special breakfast recipe Sabudana Khichdi. Mostly it is prepared during Navaratri, Mahashivratri and Ekadashi festivals for fasting. You can skip onion and garlic if it is for fasting. If you follow the tips and tricks in this video, you can prepare a perfect, soft and non-sticky Sabudana Khichdi at your home. Heat a pan, add 4 tablespoons of peanuts and dry roast them. Now cool them and transfer to a blender and grind it to a fine powder and keep it aside. In a mixer jar, take 3 chopped green chilies, 4 garlic pods, 3 dry red chilies, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and coarsely grind them and keep it aside. Heat a pan, add 6 to 7 tablespoons of oil, add half chopped potato into pieces, fry them until they turn light golden brown in color. Transfer to a separate bowl and keep it aside. In the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, few curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of peanuts, 1 teaspoon cashew nuts. Fry them. Add 1 cup of chopped onions, fry them until they turn translucent. Now add salt. You can adjust the salt as per your taste. Mix it. Now add the prepared chili garlic paste. Mix well. To get perfect Sabudana Khichdi, wash Sabudana couple of times to remove excess powdery starch present and soak it in very little amount of water for 6 hours. Drain any excess water present and add the Sabudana to the pan. Now mix everything well so that the Sabudana is completely coated with the paste. Now add the ground peanut powder and mix it well. Add the fried potato pieces and mix once again. Now close the lid for 2 minutes and then finally garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. And here you go, super yummy and tasty Sabudana Khichdi is ready to serve. Do try this energy boosting meal which is also good for digestive system due to its high fiber content, and let us know how it turns out. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!